welcome to another very, very sad day in the life of me, Brooke. This is a clock that I've had ever since I was born. Actually, older than I'm born. It's 20 years old. This alarm clock was the alarm clock my dad picked out when he went to college. It's been through thick and thin. Like the time that my mom and dad were so poor, the only thing that they had was me, a foam mattress, and this baby right here. This thing, it's amazing. Sometimes it's annoying. So, because it died July 16th, 2007, I decided that it should deserve a proper burial since it's been alive longer than me. So, I decided to give it a proper burial, but not without cremating it first. Always wear safety glasses, people, when you're cremating your alarm clocks.
Alright, I paused it. So just up button again to record. Okay, ready?
Oh yeah. Look at all the technology.
That's for waking me up too early.
What's that for? Holy.
Nothing. Hey, can you save the plastic so I can break it?
Pause. This is what I call cremation. I mean, Brooke. You didn't hear me say Russell. Alright. Now it's time to bury this baby because, like I said, it deserves a proper funeral. You can pause. I'm going to bury this in a special place because from now on, whenever you hear the mysterious beep, 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 you'll know it's my dead, ghostly alarm clock. So, now what I'm pretty much doing is making a grave for that ghostly alarm clock there. It's right above my window, so whenever I hear that beep beep sound, I know it's time to get up in the morning. Now I'm digging a hole, but it's not really working out. So we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. Mr. Alarm Clock, you've been a great influence on my life, getting me up early for many important things, including the last important thing, the Jonas Brothers concert on July 15th, 2007 in Gurnee, Illinois. I pay your respects. Hope you have fun in alarm clock heaven. The end.
Oh, man, it does stink. Alright.